Okay, see question number 22. Let A and B be the two invertible matrices. That means see, these two matrices are invertible, but we don't know whether B is A inverse and A is B inverse, like we don't know. But both are invertible matrices. Of order 3 by 3. If determinant of A into B into A transpose is equal to 8 and the determinant of A into B inverse is equal to 8, then the determinant of B into A inverse into B transpose is equal to how much? Okay, see, one logic I want to say here. First of all, you see, determinant of A means determinant of A, B, A transpose. Is this? Can I split this like this? Definitely I can split it. Okay, definitely I can split it. Okay, if that is the case, shall I write like this? Definitely. Why? Because determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. Both are same. Why? Because when you find determinant, even if rows and columns even interchange, also determinant is not going to change. Okay, this property we know very well. Okay, so now you see, A transpose has become A square into B. Okay, the determinant A square into B. This value is 8. That means the determinant of A square and the determinant of B is equal to 8. Okay, this is like one equation or something, like you made it in one box. Now go for second one. Determinant of A into B inverse is equal to determinant of A, determinant of B inverse, that is equal to determinant of A by determinant of B, that is equal to 8. Why? Because this value also 8. B inverse means 1 by B. Determinant A into 1 by determinant B means both are same. Okay, now see, in this you substitute value. Okay, what value? Or else I will do something here. You see, shall I write like this? Determinant of A is equal to 8 times of determinant of B. Now you box this then. Okay, now you box this one. Now come back again. See, substitute this in this. Determinant of A is equal to 8 times of determinant of B means you see 8 times of determinant of B but whole square into determinant of B is equal to 8. That means what will happen? 8 square means 64 and determinant B square, B cube. Determinant B square, determinant B cube is equal to 8. 8 square 64 and B square, B into B square, B cube. Okay. Now can you find a determinant of B cube? 8 by 64. Okay. Can you find determinant of B? 2 by 4. Is it correct? Why? Because see, you apply cube root. 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4. What is this then? 1 by 2. Determinant of B has become 1 by 2. Now go back again. Now go back again. See, determinant of B value, you box it. Because you have replaced this. When you find determinant of B, can you find determinant of A? Definitely. Why? Because the determinant of A is equal to 8 times of determinant of B. That is equal to 4. From here. Okay, 8 times determinant of A. This also you box. Now what they are asking final? This one. Determinant of. Then go for it. Go for it. That means see, determinant of B, A inverse, B transpose is equal to how much? Determinant of B, determinant of A. Why? Because A inverse means in denominator. B transpose is same. Determinant of B transpose and A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to B. That is why I have written like this. That means what we can write here? Determinant of B square by determinant of A is equal to how much? Okay, that they are asking. Okay, determinant of b square means what? 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square by determinant of a means 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 16. Okay, let us go for next question.